How to create a matrix chart in Excel. Create chart from selection. Search for matrix chart. Then select it. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Matrix chart is successfully created. In this format, we're showing sales performance by country and region, making it easy to compare values across dimensions. Now, let's look at a different dataset on this chart. We will add data rows for South region for each country to show new column South in the chart. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Matrix chart with the new South region is successfully created. Now, let's look at a different dataset on this chart. We will add a new categorical data column to group the bars, actual versus planned. To group the bars, we also need to add data rows for planned. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Matrix chart is successfully created, now grouped by actual and planned categories. Whether you're comparing regional sales or analyzing planned versus actual performance, the matrix chart makes complex data easy to interpret. Matrix chart data requirements. You need between 2 to 3 columns of categorical data to create a matrix chart. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 1 column of numerical data to create a matrix chart. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Important: matrix chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the X-axis properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the ticks to append $ as a prefix to the numbers. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Bar and Label Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Bar and Label section to edit the properties. You can append $ as a prefix to the numbers. You can change the label position to the end. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Save Changes button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export Chart button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to install ChartExpo add-in. Click on the Add-ins button. Install ChartExpo add-in, enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-in is software that adds new features into Microsoft Excel and Office 365. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-in is installed, it should display in My Add-ins box. Click on the ChartExpo add-in to select it. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.